friends, I have a terrific recipe for you. It is my crispy oven baked chicken wings, and I am also making a homemade barbecue sauce. You'll have to check that recipe out as well. I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So first, you want to start out with washing your wings in some lemon or some vinegar and water, and you want to wash your wings, rinse them off, and then you want to pat them dry. It's really important to pat them dry. And so now I'm adding in some seasonings here. I'm adding in a little bit of baking soda that I sprinkled on there. I'm adding some Cajun seasoning, some salt, some pepper. I did put a little bit of chicken bouillon on there. That's optional if you don't want to use that. Black pepper, smoked paprika, some granulated garlic, and some granulated onion. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to season both sides, because you guys, it's always like I say, we eat both sides, so you have to season both sides. So if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, you need to hit that button right now, because I really appreciate it. So anyway, we're gonna season the other side of these chicken wings. Now, if you don't want the whole wing, you can always cut the wings into sections, or you can just cut off the little winglet and then save it later and make you some chicken broth with it. Which is what I do sometimes, is I'll just save all my little extra chicken bone pieces, the backs and things like that when I cut them out, and freeze it, and then I'll make some homemade chicken stock out of that. So anyway, I'm seasoning up the opposite side, and then I'm just going to just toss it all around just to make sure it's all, covered on the wings, and just making sure it's there. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of Easy OO. I'm going to put this in my preheated oven at 400 degrees. You can go from 400 to 425, and then I flip them over. Now I'm using the homemade barbecue sauce that I made. If you don't want to use my recipe of my sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, you can use whatever barbecue sauce that you want on your wings, but definitely cook them on, and flip them over just to make sure they are crispy on both sides. And so now I'm just putting a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. I'm going to stick them back in the oven, and then I'm going to bring them back out, and then I'm going to barbecue the opposite side. And I do sometimes throw the broiler on there just a little bit, but you have to pay attention, because if you leave it on there too long, you're gonna have some burnt wings, and that is not gonna be very tasty. Not for me anyway, but some people, they may like it, but not for me. Anyway, so now that I have put the barbecue sauce on that side, you see me flipping them over, and now I'm gonna put some of the barbecue sauce on the other side. They are so tender and so, just crispy on the edge. They're holding this barbecue sauce very well. So back in the oven, they're gonna go for another 10 minutes or less, until I get the barbecue sauce to kind of set on the wings. And guess what, you guys, they're already done now, but they'll be even better once they come out of the oven the second time around. So again, you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up, you need to do so right now. And I'm going to put these back in for the last little round, and then these wings are going to be done. So there they go in the oven. Don't they look so delicious, you guys? I'm telling you, these wings are so good, and they are finished, you guys. Oh my God, these wings are so good. You guys need to make this recipe. I want to thank you for watching. And as always, I want to say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.